here.
It fell out.
You can't cheat, for real.
All right. That's enough.
Spread it out. Now stand over there.
Yeah,
Get
cause
Tristan away from me.
Tristan, come here.
I thought you were waiting for Dad.
okay, Destiny's about to do the cinnamon challenge.
What do I do? Just eat it?
Yeah, eat the whole spoon.
He like sprayed it out.
Yeah, I did it like 2 minutes ago.
Did you do it? Did you make it?
Probably the dumbest
Let me see your teeth.
idea ever.
It's not over teeth anymore.
Soda? Why are you
Let me
going
see.
with soda? You should have gone with water.
Let me see. Oh.
Tori did it on Mythbusters. So
He did it, right?
he did it, yeah. He put it in his cheeks.